A major legal battle is unfolding in the United States after immigration advocacy groups sued the Trump organization over its new asylum ban. The lawsuit, filed in Washington, D.C., challenges President Donald Trump's executive order that effectively blocks all asylum seekers at the United States-Mexico border. Advocates argue that this move puts thousands of migrants at risk by denying them the protection that they were previously entitled to under U.S. law. Now let me tell you why is this important. Immigration has been one of Trump's biggest priorities since he first ran for president. His supporters have backed him on tougher border policy, stricter visa rule, and mass deportation. Now that he is back in the office, he has wasted no time signing executive orders aiming at controlling who enters their country. But immigration groups are pushing back. They argue that stopping asylum completely is illegal, violates international refugee law, and put lives at risk as well. This lawsuit could determine whether Trump's order stands or gets overturned. Now let me tell you what exactly Trump order says. Just 2 weeks after returning to the White House, Trump signed an executive order called Guaranteeing the State's Protection Against Invasion. It allows the federal government to block all the migrants from entering the U.S. at both the southern and northern border. Trump has called the situation at the border an invasion and believes that the U.S. Constitution gives him a right to shut down asylum claims until the situation is under control. He argues that this measure is necessary to stop illegal immigration and protect American citizens. The American Civil Liberties Union and other legal organizations have filed a lawsuit arguing that Trump's order is unconstitutional. Let me tell you what they say. The US already has laws that protect asylum seekers, and the president cannot override Congress. Many migrants flee due to violence in their home countries. Blocking asylum puts them in danger. But you know what? The numbers show the impact of Trump's ban already. In the first few weeks of January, only 84 people were granted asylum as compared to over 3,000 during the same period last year. In the meantime, a senior attorney at the International Immigration Justice Center calls the move a flagrant violation of US law. He warns that thousands of people now face violence, torture, or even death because they can no longer seek asylum. Let me tell you that this is not the very first time when Trump has tried to limit asylum rights. During his first term too, he attempted to end protection for immigrants from El Salvador and Haiti. Now, his administration is facing multiple lawsuits, including one against Secretary of Homeland Security Kristi Noem for cutting legal aid services for immigrants. Even former President Joe Biden had tightened asylum rules during his final months in the office, placing daily limits on the number of migrants who could enter the US. Now, the court will have to decide whether Trump's asylum ban stays in the place or gets overturned. Immigration advocates hope the judge will reinstate the previous rules that allowed migrants to apply for asylum regardless of where or how they entered the country. This case is just the beginning. More legal battles over Trump's immigration policies are actually expected in the coming months, and the outcome could impact thousands of migrants trying to enter the US for safety and a better future.